the area. We're now just glassing. See if we can see anything. We can put a approach on tomorrow. We're hoping we can catch something out this evening and then put it to bed, and then in the morning make a plan for it and see if we can get a moose down tomorrow is our hope. So we're not in here a ton of days trying to find one, but hopefully we can glass one up and then make a play on it for tomorrow. He looks bigger, but he looks wider. So we're going to try and figure out where he goes to bed tonight, see if we can see him in the morning, and then see if we can take care of business tomorrow. It's going to be tough because it's a lot of bushes. So hopefully he goes to bed in a good spot and we can take care of him tomorrow and put him to sleep. So we'll see how it goes tomorrow. We're just glassing this morning. There's some moose around us, but we can't find Tiny. Can't seem to find him yet, so we're gonna keep glassing. See if we can find him. Gotta find Tiny. Look over him. See if he already went over.
He's on that side, and then we can continue to look back this way if he stayed in the creek bottom.
Yeah. I like that idea. Well, we're gonna make a play on these. We saw the big one, but he is all the way over. Right here. So, well, no way. Right here on that side. That's where he's at. So we gotta work our way over there. It's about 2 miles. So we'll see how we do.
One on the right.
Take it, Rainee.
Him in the back.
In the back?
Too far back?
Yeah.
In the back hip.
Sorry.
Get more bullets?
Yeah, it's stuck. Pull that out.
Where are your bullets?
Bottom pocket. Come from the bottom. He's not moving.
No, you might have to go put him out of misery though. He got him back broken.
I don't think that was Tiny, do you?
I don't know, but he's still a big bull. He looks great.
Wow, that's awesome. That was well beautiful, eh?
Oh, I love you too. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, he's massive.